Hi wonderful people, so today I am going to be doing a Chanel unboxing video for you guys, and I'm really excited about this just because I know I haven't been making any videos lately and I'm really sorry about that, but I wanted to come back with a fun, exciting video, and I thought like a Chanel unboxing video would be great for that. And I'm kind of like in theme of like what's gonna be happening and what I'm gonna be unboxing because I'm in like my pink Ariana Grande sweatshirt. I love her, by the way. And if you are interested, definitely keep on watching this video. So, hi, if you're new to this channel, my name's Derek. I do all things luxury related on this channel. So if you like that kind of content, please subscribe to this channel and also press the notification button to be notified. And then also press the like button as well, just because they're all kind of close to each other. So might as well press the others if you're going to press one. And let's get right into this unboxing. So I got the box right here. I actually got it from Fashion File, and I haven't bought anything from Fashion File for a really long time. And here it is. Calendar. And that's kind of cool. And it has like all these different pictures. I guess for 2021. So it looks like that. And then it has, I guess, my receipts in here. So let's just kind of open this up really quick. Yeah, so it's pretty much a receipt of what I purchased. There's also a thank you, shop, sell, repeat. That's what it says on the back. And then, yeah. It also has a filing nail thingy. A nail file. Wow, English. And then the star of the show. Okay, so I tried to like set back my camera the proper way because when the box fell, it just kind of hit the tripod. But anyways, on the sticker it says, used is the new. So we'll just kind of take this off right now, and then ta-da, it is, oh my god. It is a Chanel box. Obviously it doesn't have the ribbon just because I bought it from Fashion File. Let's open it. Tissue paper. Dust bag. And then the bag itself. It is the 20A Chanel Coco Handle. And I'm so excited about this purchase. I love this and I'm really excited. So it also, before I like show you like more of this beautiful bag, I'm really excited though. But it comes with the black cotton dust bag, and then obviously the kind of like tissue paper that they kind of do, the accordion style. Yeah, so I'm really excited about this. This has been a bag that's been on my wish list for the longest time, and again, it is from Chanel. It is the Coco Handle in a small size, and it is in the color Lilac with the caviar leather with the light gold hardware, and it is from the 20A collection. And if you guys haven't noticed, I've literally been talking about wanting this bag for like the longest time, ever since it came out, but I finally pulled the trigger and I got it, and I'm really excited about it. She's so beautiful. I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna look on the inside. Okay. So it definitely came with like the Chanel tag attached or in it, and then it comes with the card, the authentic. Wow, I can't even pronounce that. The card, the authenticity. Wow, English. but you guys know what I mean. So it is from the 30 series, and I definitely always keep these in my bag just because I don't want to lose them, even though I shouldn't have them in there, just in case of like someone like takes it or steals it, knock on wood. The inside's kind of like a lilac pinkish kind of color. If we take a look on the inside, it pretty much has two compartments. A bigger compartment and then a smaller compartment in the back, and then in the middle it kind of has like a zipper that you can kind of zip and put stuff in the middle of that. And then right here, like in the front flap, it has two pockets and on each side, and then it has like that lipstick pocket, pretty much kind of like a classic flap, kind of like beacher pocket kind of situation. It also has a chain kind of detachable strap. Ooh, okay. Anyways, this is like, hold on, let me get a scissors. I'm definitely going to cut off the tag right now because I'm definitely keeping it and it's definitely staying in my collection. So snip, and yeah, so I can take this off, and then here she is, and it definitely still has the protective kind of stickers on the hardware, some of the hardware, not all of the hardware, but it definitely has the protective stickers on the strap, the chain strap with the leather weaving through, and then this kind of like arm kind of strap right there. So again, it is detachable, which I really like about that aspect. And when I got it, it didn't have the protective sticker on this, and then has the protective sticker on this part. This, I don't think it ever did have it, at least that one didn't have it. So then in the back it also has a pocket as well, and the color itself, it shows up like pink, but it has undertones of like purple. I don't know, I kind of really like this color. Even though the lights right now are kind of like washing the color out, I'm really excited that I finally got it because it's been months and months and months, probably like half a year now since I've been wanting this bag. Yes, I did pay a premium for it and I paid a lot for it. I'm not going to talk about how much I paid, but I definitely did pay a lot for it, and it was pretty pricey. So when I finally found this on Fashion Fat, I was really excited just because I was debating on this bag or the Rainbow Reissue Mini multicolor rainbow one. You guys know what I'm talking about. I'll kind of post a picture or whatever. But I was debating about these two bags, and then I feel like it's a bag that's a little more simple and I can like carry it and hold it, and yeah, whereas like the rainbow one, even though as much as I want it a lot in my collection, I feel like it probably won't be a bag that I will be wearing like a lot. Whereas like this one, I can like take out a little bit more than the Rainbow Reissue. I don't know, maybe I like might get it in the future. I don't know. But I'm probably gonna have to sell some of these bags to get it. But I'm gonna be doing a review. I know I've been talking about a review for this one for like the longest time, and I haven't done it. But I probably will do a review really soon about these two bags, just because now that I have it, you know, I really need to do it. To be honest with you guys, I really was not even thinking like about buying a Chanel bag. It just so happens that I saw this. It was kind of like a good, decent price, but not really. I still had to pay a premium for it, but I decided to get it just because I felt like it was the lowest price that I could find, even if I went on Instagram and asked resellers if they could find it for a cheaper price. I just couldn't find any, so I saw it on Fashion File and I decided to pull the trigger on it, and I'm really excited about it because I finally have it in my collection, and I can finally stop talking about it to my friends about it and asking them, should I get it or should I not get it? And I'm pretty sure one of them is really annoyed with me and talking about it all the time. So I'm, again, really excited about this bag. It's definitely a birthday / Christmas gift. My birthday is like December 24th, and then Christmas is like the next day. So then I was like, whatever, I'm gonna treat myself to a bag even though I bought something else. I'm gonna do a whole like other like what I got for Christmas kind of video as well, but this is just one of the things that I got for my birthday and Christmas because they're kind of like back-to-back days, and I'm again really excited. Hopefully you guys learned something new about watching this video, and definitely let me know what you guys think of this color, or what you guys think about like a Coco handle in general, or what kind of bags that you like from Chanel. So definitely leave a comment down below and let me know, and definitely have a wonderful day because you're wonderful and don't forget it. Alright, bye guys.